For this simple dip conditioner, all you'll need is one whole ripe avocado, one whole ripe banana, and some aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice. First things first, you'll pour 60 milliliters of aloe vera juice. So you can use olive oil as well, it's really up to you, but I love aloe vera juice. Then you will take your banana, split it in half, split it in small pieces, depends on what blender you're using. Then you'll also add in your avocado. You need to understand, the riper your banana and avocado is, the better, okay? It will work wonders. You can see everything is ready. It is nice and gooey. It is ready to enter into the particulars of the hair. But hey guys, it smells bad. Once it's in your hair, before guys, the dip conditioner does smell really bad, but it is very beneficial for your hair. Now on a serious note, let me tell you some of the benefits of this dip conditioner. Avocados are high in vitamin B and E, which works at the cellular level to protect and strengthen hair. Vitamin B is essential for hair growth, and vitamin E helps repair damage to the scalp. Bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine, prevent and control dandruff, and moisturize your scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which helps soften the hair and preventing split ends and breakage. Aloe vera juice contains something called proteolytic enzymes. That was English, guys, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair, like I've said before. I really do suggest that you try this mixture. It's very simple. Banana, ever we can get it. Now, if you are paying attention, you will notice, you see this. This is why I didn't pour it in directly into the jar, because there will be these little particles left, and you do not want to get that stuck in your hair. I already said this dip conditioner doesn't smell good, so now imagine little particles of banana and it was just stuck in your hair, and you're walking around with this really bad smell. But the good thing is, once you wash the conditioner off, the smell doesn't stay. The smell doesn't stay in your hair. So if you do wash off well, the smell will not be there. And then you put it into a jar. You can put it into any jar of your choice. Got this container at Pep for like 6 rand. You could use anyone that you use at home. Put it on immediately or the next day. I've never tried to leave it until 2 days or 3 days, so I don't know if it will last that long. But I normally just do my deep conditioner hours before I condition. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Mwah.